morning to all of you. Welcome to Performance Optimization Q&A session. Myself, Sujit Kakkar, and today is Friday, 16th of March, 2018. Now, the second thing is if you can analyze Aussie JPY. So let's look at Aussie JPY. So AUD JPY, and let's say I want all exchanges. And let's go to currencies. It will be in let's do all. Right, so let's look at Australian dollars. So you want to see FMFXCM or the other one? Uh, which one you would like me to see, because I don't know which one you would be following. Otherwise, both of them would look exactly the same. So if you can let me know which one you would like me to pick. Finviz is a good screener. Okay, so I'll check Finviz. Okay, so probably on technical tab. All right. So, you were putting all these in the Q&As. It's just that, when I have it in the comments, it's easier. I can read it immediately. Please explain about, okay, so that's a question. Okay. So I got your answer, Hemant. So let's take this JPY. Right, and let's look at this. So now you said you want to do it as an hourly income trade, right? As an hourly income trade, what we do is we start with the lower time frame first to check do we have anything quality or not. So I'll start with the lower time frame, which would be a 5 minute chart for me. And on the lower time frame, we do have this rally based drop kind of a structure. So we have a score of 10 out of 10 and 6 out of 8. And this would qualify this as a type 1 trade for us. Right, so that's your very first trading opportunity. So can you see nothing changes when it comes to the methodology part. The only thing which changes is the name of the script here on the top. Otherwise, we are approaching it exactly the same way, the way we do it for stocks. And other advantage which you have, especially with the Forex, is that for Forex, you get real-time feed from them. So if you want to do some paper trading, first to build up that confidence, you can also do some paper trading here. And here you can see they have this option for paper trading account. So I have never tried to place an order. Let's see how an order can be placed here. So this is trading. So we'll say, all right, so this is what we'll do. That a little bit below this, if I say a sell order, right? So that is where we want to go short. And this would be a limit order. We have already provided it. And we also need a stop loss. And the stop loss would be what price? So I don't want it in pips, I want it in price. And what I'll do is I'll just draw a horizontal, oops. I'll draw a horizontal line just to understand where my stop loss can be. So my stop loss would be somewhere around here. So the stop loss price is 82.749, right? So your entry price is 687, stop loss is this, right? And you already have that stop loss. You can also create a bracket order where you want to take your profits. So because we are taking a risk of 6.2 pips, our target one should be at least 12 pips. So what I'll do is I'll make it as in pips, 612.4, right? So 12.4 pips would be the target, which basically implies 82 point this. And quantity we are doing manually. Otherwise you can do it based on your some risk management rules. And duration would be the day, which means at the end of the day, if you don't get this order filled, it will be getting cancelled by default, right? GTD would be good till date, that for how many days you want this order to be in the system. And GTT is good till time, right? Until what time this order should be in the system, right? So they have given three options: good for the day, good till time, and good for good till date, right? So let's keep it as day, and let's place this order. Let's see, because I've never tried placing an order, right? So can you see there you have your sell limit order, there you have your stop loss, and also your take profit. So if it comes to your zone, it will automatically sell for you. If it continues above, your stop loss will be getting hit. If it starts coming down, you will also get your target order book.